Hello, 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 hello. You are welcome to our channel, Hordanso LTD. Thank you very much for watching this video. So today we will continue on our series. We'll be discussing our VPS. So what is VPS? What is VPS? So VPS is a virtual private server, just like a computer system that you don't own, but you can put your resources. Now, what can you do with a VPS? You can host your AI tools, your automation tools, your softwares, your websites, your funnels, even your online business. Now, there are other options of hosting. So, if you come here, you can see we have web hosting, we have VPS hosting. Now, what is the difference between web hosting and VPS hosting? Now, web hosting is usually shared in the sense that you are sharing your resources with other customers. So, we have like 1,000 customers that are on this same computer system. So, you can see that the security system here is a bit tough because we will not want you to break things for the other customer. So that's web hosting. So if you are cool with web hosting, you can go with web hosting. But when you want to advance, you want to have your tool hosted specifically for you, your company, and for your project solely. You will like to go for a VPS. Now, just like I said, you can use your VPS for many things. You can use it for your websites, your funnels, your softwares, even your IoT, your AI applications, and so on. Now it's like your private cloud server. Yeah, you are not sharing anything. Now, why VPS matter in this era is that many AI tools or many websites or many softwares they need a lot of RAM. You know what is your RAM? Your CPU, your computer system, and most of the shared hosting, which is like web hosting, might not give you that. Yeah, but you when you buy your VPS, you get all those where you can do a lot of things, a lot of things. So let's walk through and see what our VPS is all about. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. So if we scroll down, you can see we have four packages for it. You can see we have the Cloud VPS 10, the Cloud VPS 20, the Cloud VPS 30, the Cloud VPS 40, and you can see the specs. You can see 3 core CPU, depending on what you want. So you should consider what you want. So what you are trying to, what's your project like? What's your business like? You also consider the future. Also, you also have like you can upgrade. Yeah, I'm going to show that on the video. Yeah, so you can see the prices. So you can look at the features, the RAM, the days, the bandwidth, the snapshots. Yeah, you can look at that, and you can try to get it. So you can check it. You can see the page here. When you come to our site, hordanso.net, you go to VPS dash hosting. So you can do that. So when you click order now, you should go to the client page. You can see I have a client, a test client here. So I can see the VPS. So you can choose the one you want. So let's say I am choosing this. I will go for it. Now you can pay with any currency: USD, euros, pounds, naira, Ghana cedis, South African rand, and so on. So here you can see um, my account is in USD because I registered my account in USD. So if you don't want USD, you can still toggle that off. Yeah, you can still toggle that off by going to your account and changing your color. All right. Now let's look at that. So this is what I wanted. So you can go to choosing your billing cycle. So do you want monthly or annually? So let's say I'm going for the annual package that is 86.94 and your tags. So you can come here and choose your spec also. So do you want SSD or an NVM? So you also check your region. So which region do you want? So depend region now helps you to keep your resources closer to you. So for instance, someone in US, you are likely to keep your resources in US. So you are close to Asia, you should be going for Singapore. For Europe, you should go for Europe, maybe UK, Australia, Japan, India, and so on. For people in Africa, yeah, you can choose one that's closer to you. So it's just for latency and for also for speed and all that. But most times it doesn't matter if you're working on like little things, minor, medium things. Yeah. It really matters heavily when you are working on extra heavy duty applications. Yeah, but you should choose a region that is closer to you. Okay, so those are there. So you can that is okay. So you can go, you can continue to choose. So here you can come and you can what check out and pay. All right. So if you have a coupon code, you can add it here and validate it, and you will have the order that will be summarized again for you. So that is how you will get your VPS, and boom, you are done. Now let's say for instance you want to go to your account. Let's say let me go to my account here. I'm going to go to my account. So let me go to my home page. So I did not buy it yet. So here you can see I have some products. So how do you get your VPS? So you go to your services. That is where you're going to see your VPS. So here you will see your services. You want to check new or current services that are active. You click on status. The active services will show up. So I have a lot of services here, but I don't have a VPS yet. This is a test account. Yeah. So let's say I want to check this up. Okay. So let's go for this. Let's say I go for this. So my product will open like this. So this is just an email package, similar to how it will look like, but different because your VPS and email are not the same. So I just want to show you the navigation. So now for the VPS, you don't need to log into cPanel, you don't need to log into WebPager. So I just want to show you that you can do your upgrade or downgrade. So here you can see, let's say you buy this for 1 month and you want to upgrade to 30, Cloud VPS 40, you just come to your account and go to upgrade or downgrade depending on what you want to do. So you want to request for cancellation, you can request for cancellation here. If there's any need, or you can send a support ticket to us. So you can come here and open your support tickets, and boom, we'll get in touch with you. So depending on what they're trying to send, we'll get in touch with you. So this is it. This is our VPS. Looking forward to seeing you make an order. Bye bye.